Okay, now we come to a little bit more complicated part. So now we're adding and subtracting, but notice the denominators are different. So what this is like is instead of before where we had eighths and we could just, and the pizzas were cut in the same number of slices, now we have 3/8 of a pizza over here, right? So 3 slices if the pizza's cut in eighths, and 1/4. So 1 slice, but the pizza is just cut in 4 pieces because this person likes to eat. This person knows that they're going to eat more than 1 slice. You know, who isn't? Okay. So how do we do that? Well, basically, we need to cut the pizzas in the same number of slices. To do that, we look and see, okay, this 8 is made of 2 and 4. Ooh, I can kind of stop there because this 4 is made of a 4, right? So if we multiply this by 2, we will come with the same number of pizzas. Or in another way, if we take this fourth of a slice and break it up, divide it into 2 more pizzas, then we're going to get eighths. So how we do that? 3/8. I'm just going to chill with that. And then what you're doing is you're multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Or you're cutting it up, dividing it in another slice. It's interesting that when we multiply, we're actually dividing in this case. Okay, so this becomes 3/8 plus 2 times 1, 2/8. And we're allowed to multiply by 2 over 2 because it's really just 1, right? We're not making any additional pizza. We're just cutting it up different, which we're allowed to do. So 3 plus 2, we got same denominator. So 3 plus 2 is 5/8. So 1/4 of a pizza plus 3/8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 of a pizza. Okay. Well, now we're going to look at another situation. So that was nice because 8 and 4 are both closely related, and we just had to multiply one of the fractions. Well, I'm going to do this other one because we have 2 and 9. As you know, 9 breaks up into 3 and 3. 2 is a prime. It's just 2 and 1. So there's nothing in common. In a case where nothing is in common, the easiest thing to do is just make a lot of slices of pizza. And how many in particular? I'm going to multiply this by, let's do it a different way. So I'm just doing 1/2. And I'm going to multiply by this denominator. So 9 divided by 9 plus 7/9. And I'm going to multiply that by 2 over 2. So when in doubt, you can just, that's weird, you can just multiply by the opposite denominator. You're going to get a lot of pieces, but it's going to work out. So 9/18. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 9, 18. Plus 7 times 2, 14/18. And now we have like denominators, and we can just add. 14 plus 9 is 23/18. If we want to mix fraction, we can say 23 minus 18 is 5. So we have 1 whole and then 5/18 left over. And that is how we add. We first have to find the like denominator. Okay.